This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. Good evening, Ritishree. Good evening, Lavanya, Kavita. Actually, do you people like my way of teaching? Like, what happened is this printf and scanf. No need to explain that much of in detail. So that's why it take much time to start the programs. Okay. So do you want very short or do you want elaborate or do you want brief? Anyhow, I will take for 2 months or 1 month or no problem for me. Actually, my motto is to complete the syllabus with complete information and everyone should understand. That is my motto.
This
What was
conference
our
will now be recorded.
yesterday's topic? It is formatted, right? Formatted input and output operations. Formatted input and output operations. It is C. No, it's not. Okay. Percentage D. If you want to declare an integer for float, octal, hexadecimal, printf. Okay. Today I want to explain about unformatted input output functions. Unformatted input and output functions. My voice is clear? Is it audible? Recording. Okay. Okay, Riti beta. Okay. Here we have six functions which are unformatted. Which are unformatted. Okay. I will start in a new. Unformatted input output functions. In that first one is getchar. These are getchar, getS, getch. These are acts as scanf. Whereas putchar, puts, putch, these are act as printf, output purpose. The first one is getchar, getchar, getchar. This function is used to this function is used to return single character, single character entered from keyboard, entered from keyboard. Okay. Get function, getchar. This function is used to return a single character. It will give a single character. For example, if you type k, that is a single character. that is acceptable by getchar. Okay, that is acceptable by getchar. It's like a scanf. It is like a scanf. Okay, the syntax is variable, any variable like x y z equal to, write down getchar. Most of the students, they think that here in the brackets we have to write down some values like h. No, it should be empty. Whatever you enter, that character, that single character, okay, received by getchar and stored in this variable, var variable. It may be anything like int x, int y, int z. We have a variable, okay, which receives one character, single character, through getchar function. Through getchar function. Here var, we can use any user defined variable name. Okay, is any valid identifier. Identifier which stores the value of char type. Value of char type. Okay. Next one is putchar. Putchar. Okay. Here we have to mention variable. See the difference? If we are using getchar, we should not write anything in the brackets. But when we are using putchar function, we have to write down the variable. Which variable you want to print on the monitor. Okay. This function is used to display. Used to display. Used to display a single character. A single character on the standard output, which is nothing but monitor. Standard output device. Standard output device. Mostly it is a monitor, right? But the standard output device, which is nothing but monitor or screen. And the second and important point is the character which we want to display is the argument for this function. Okay? Here, actually putchar also it is a function. Printf also a function. Scanf also a function. Okay? So every function should return some value. Every function in all the languages, whether it is a C, C++, Oracle, Java, .NET, Python, PHP, whatever maybe. Okay? The concept of function, the main task of a function is it should return some value. It should do some calculations and it should return some value. And sometimes it has arguments. We have four types of functions. I will explain in the functions topic. Okay, no argument no return function, no argument return function, argument no return function, argument return function. Like that we have four types of functions. I will explain there in the functions concept. But here putchar, it is a function, and every function should return some value, and some functions may have arguments as in parameter, some functions have argument as a out parameter. Okay, here this var, it acts as a in parameter. It means we are giving some value, okay, to display, and it display that value also. So acts as a in parameter and out parameter. In parameter means we are giving some input values. Out parameter means we the monitor or the putchar function return some value as the output value. Here in this putchar function, what happened is, okay, it is used to display character, whether it is a single character or collection of character, on the standard device, which is nothing but monitor, as well as it will display the character, and that character is, okay, act as a argument. It means this variable act as a in parameter as well as out parameter. Okay, na? This is about putchar. What is the syntax? Syntax is putchar. Here we have to mention some value, variable. Okay. Next one is gets. S means here string. Okay. This function is used to read or take, okay, read a string. If you want to give input, if you want to give a collection of characters as input, collection of characters is nothing but string. Here collection of characters is nothing but string. If you want to give collection of character as an input, at that time use get s. By using get char we can give only one character, but by using get s we can give the collection of characters as a input. Read means input, write means output. Okay. Okay, here the string may also contain spaces, may also contain white spaces or spaces. Okay, the input value, the input value will terminate only after, only after pressing the enter key. Enter key. You got it? Okay, you can give number of characters. When it will terminate? When you enter, when you press enter key. That is the end of the character. That is the end of the character. Okay. So by using get s, okay, we can give the collection of characters as an input, and we can give the empty spaces also, white spaces also. And when it will terminate, okay, when you press the enter key, when you press the enter key, it means it is the end of the character, end of the string. Okay, but mostly we never means 95% we use only printf and scanf in real time. But in some scenarios, in real time, in some scenarios, we can use put char, get s like that. Okay, na? That's why we have to explain. Here we have to mention where. In get char we do not have this input value or argument value. You see, in the get char we have only simply it's the empty brackets. But whereas come to gets, it is a variable. It is nothing but array. It is nothing but array. Here where is a character array. Here where is a character array. Where is a character array. For example, char string. String. So here str it is a variable. Str it is a variable. You can give your own name, no problem. Okay, str it is a variable name. Instead of str you can give any name. For example, chai. Okay, chai. Okay, chai is not okay. Something okay. Riti. Here Riti is a name of the string. Name of the string of character data type. But it is not a single character, it is a collection of character. Why? Because I am declaring as a array size. Array. Okay na? Chaitanya, what happened? Okay, beta. Okay. So we can give up to maximum 10 characters here. Okay. Now you can use gets gets riti. Gets riti. So instead of this, here we can give as a argument, as a in parameter, as a in parameter. Okay na? What it will take? It will take this one as a input values. Okay, it's like a scanf again. The next one is puts. Next one is nothing but puts. This function is used to print. You can call it as a display also. Display the input string which we are giving. Okay, put s. This function again. This function is used to print or display the input string. Am I correct? Syntax syntax. Syntax simply puts Here also we should use like any variable. Okay. Here where is a character array. Why? Because we are using string. String is nothing but collection of characters. It's a collection of characters. Okay. 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 So this is about unformatted. Okay. Is it completed? We have get ch, right? Get ch and put ch. Okay. One is get char, it accepts single character. Put char, it accepts single, it prints single character. Get s, it takes the collection of character as the input. Put s, it display the collection of characters. Now get ch and put ch. Okay. Get ch and put ch. Okay. Here for puts, the example char str. Instead of str, tell me any name. Okay, Abhi. Make it Abhi. Okay. Instead of boring str and character. Okay, Abhi. What is the name of the string? Abhi. Okay, what is the maximum characters? 20. So I can store up to 20 characters. 20 characters. Here, write down puts. What we should write? Abhi. Abhi. Okay. So it will print whatever the collection of characters we have in Abhi variable name. It's a variable name. Abhi. Like str, x, y, z, we have it is a variable name. Okay, na? Now we will see one example how it will works. What should be our first? These all are called unformatted functions because it doesn't have any format. Okay. The very first step in every language that we should include whatever header functions or header file functions we are using in our program. Okay. Stdio.h, and we should include console.io.h. It is a console IO input output.h. It is standard input output.h. Why I am using means all the unformatted like get char, get ch, put ch, get s, put s, all these functions are stored in console input output header file. If you want to use that, then we have to include this console header file. This is the first step. This is the first step. We have to include whatever preprocessor header files we want in our program. The next one is void main. I think I explained right why we are using void. Okay. Actually, main also it is a function. Main also it is a function. It is a main function. It is a main function. Actually, C is nothing but collection of function. Whereas C++ it is nothing but collection of objects and classes. Whereas Java is nothing but collection of methods and classes. Like that, C is nothing but collection of functions. C is nothing but collection of functions. In that, it is a main function. It is a main function. It means we are telling to the C compiler that start your execution from main function. We have to inform that C compiler that this is the main function. So start the compilation from main function. And you do know why I'm using void? Actually, it is avoid. Actually, it is nothing but avoid. It means I am avoiding. What I am avoiding? The returning value. Why? Because main it is a function. Main it is a function, and every function should return some value. Every function should return some value. You got it? Every function should return some value. But I don't want to return any value from main function. I don't want to return any value from main function. That's why I am avoiding. That's why I'm avoiding. The shortcut of avoid is nothing but void. If you write here int, it means you are returning some integer value to the C compiler or to the main program. If you write here float, it means you are returning some decimal values to the C compiler. If you write char, you are returning one single character to the C compiler. Okay. Mostly in C language, we are avoiding to return any value from main function. Okay. So that's why mostly we are using void main. Okay. Void and main. This is the second step. After that, open the roster bracket. It is called roster bracket. After opening roster bracket, we have declaration section. We have declaration section. It is called declaration section. Declaration section means we have to declare those variables which I am using in my program. Which I am using in my program. It is like ingredients. Okay. In our general English or in our general language, it is like ingredients. Ingredients. Am I right? My spelling? It is like ingredients. If you watch any YouTube channel, cooking channel, okay, how to make chicken biryani. First, he will give the brief description of ingredients. Take uh, half kg, no, but 100 grams oil, 2 teaspoon of sugar, mirchi, haldi, okay, and 1 kg rice and 1 kg chicken, like that. Here also, declaration section means we have to declare which variables I am using in my program. Which variables I am using in my program. It's like ingredients. Ingredients. Okay. Here, if you declare any variable after roster bracket, it is called local declaration section. Local declaration section. Local declaration section. If you write before main program, then it is called global declaration section. Then it is called global declaration section. Okay. If you declare before main program, then it is called global declaration section. If you declare any variable after main program or after open the roster bracket, it is called local declaration section. It is like ingredients. Okay. Here in local declaration section, okay, I need one character. Why? Because all this unformatted like get char, put char, get s, put s. If you observe, all are related to characters only. All are related to characters. All are related to characters. Okay. Next one, I want to print. Printf. It is a output function which is stored in standard io.h. That's why I include this standard io header file. And you have to write in double quote, enter a character from keyboard. Enter a character from keyboard. Okay. Enter a character from keyboard. This printf statement, it is used to print or display this text only. Okay. But if you don't write scanf statement or scanf function, it does not allow us, the C compiler does not allow us to enter some value. How can we enter the value? By using scanf, not by the printf. Most of the students, they think by using printf we are able to enter the any value. No, it is because of scanf. It is because of scanf we can enter any value through keyboard. Okay. This printf, it is nothing but to, it is for our convenient. It tells us that enter a character or enter any two values or addition of two values, like that. It is for our convenient. Okay. But the real function is scanf, to accept two values, or we can able to enter two values or one value or a character or collection of characters by using scanf function. It is not because of printf, it is because of scanf. Okay. But here, instead of scanf, okay, instead of scanf, I can use getChar, right? I can use getChar function. Mostly, actually, we can write scanf. After printf, we are writing scanf function. But here, this example is for unformatted input output functions. Okay. So this getChar, it works as a scanf. It will accept one character, and that character stores in any variable, which is nothing but char variable. Here char is a variable which stores one single character. Okay. It means if you enter p, that p value stores in ch variable. Okay. That p variable or the p character stores in ch variable. Okay na. Now again put char. Okay. Here reads accept a single character. Okay, here putchar, it display, or we can say write. Okay, a single character on the monitor monitor. Okay, monitor. Okay, so this getchar receives a value as an input, and this putchar display the value as a output. That's why here we should not mention any variable. Here we should use the variable. What is the variable? Ch. What is ch? A single character. It stores a single character. Okay, if ch is equal to, if ch is equal to capital Y R, this is the R symbol. Ch is small y. Here I have one condition. Okay, in C language, if you want to compare two values, use two time equal symbol. Two time equal symbol. For example, you declared one variable int x. Okay, and if you want to assign some value, for example, x is equal to 5, it means the value of 5 stores in x. Before, x doesn't have any value, but now the value of 5 stores in x. If you, this symbol, two equal symbol, it means it does not store the value of 9 in the x. Already x has some value. Already x has some value. If that value is equal to 9 or not. This is two times equal symbol. It means x already has some value. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't know. But that value is equal to 9. Then print like that we have. But here the value of 5 stores in x. That is the difference. If you are using single equal symbol, the value of right side is stored in the value of left side. If you are using two times equal symbol, it means already you have one value x. That value is whether it is equal to 9 or not. We have to check. Okay, that is the difference between one single equal and two times single equal. Okay, na? Here. If character is capital Y or small y, then write down printf the entered character is, okay, here we should use percentage C. Why? Because it is a character, right? Yesterday we discussed, if it is a character, use percentage C. If it is a string, use percentage S. Okay, na? And close the double quote and use it like this. Okay. Yesterday we discussed, right? It is a string and it is a actual value or actual, like we can say character. Okay. This one is nothing but string. It is nothing but just a character value. We should write like this. In the printf statement, first write down any string or character or text which we can you want to display, and next write down ch. Ch is nothing but value, which is equal to percentage c. C means character. Okay. Else printf the entered character is equal to percentage c, which is nothing but ch. Okay. And at the end, close the roster bracket. Close the roster bracket. Okay. Okay. So this is a simple program about getchar and putchar. Okay. Be careful that in getchar we should not use any variable. We should not mention any variable. But in other all we should use variable. Okay. If character is y or small y, the entered character is which is nothing but capital Y. Else, okay. So this is the a simple program, C program. Okay. Okay. Any doubt regarding today's session? And we have get ch and put ch. Okay. So this is about our notes. Okay. Write down the notes, beta. Any doubt? Kavita, Lavanya, Riti, Chamu, Chandra, Abhiram, Pallavi. Any doubt? ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయమ్మా? కుడ్ డౌట్ है कविता? No doubts? All clear? Okay. Don't worry, I will explain each and every topic, whether it will take 1 month or 2 months or 3 months. You have right time, right? Or you want to మీకు టైం ఉందా అమ్మా? లేకుంటే ఫాస్ట్ చెప్పేసేయాలా? ఓకే. రైట్ డౌన్ ద నోట్స్. ఓకే. రైట్ డౌన్ ద నోట్స్ అమ్మా. ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ తల్లి, ఎగ్జిక్యూట్. రితిశ్రీ, okay. If you enter y, then output is y. If you enter small y, the output is small y. Okay. It depend on runtime value. It depend on runtime value. You see here. Here I am giving one character, right? It prompts you to enter a character, right? From keyboard. When you enter, that value is stored in ch. आप के भी एंटर कर सकते हैं, y और e or any value from a to z, capital or small. That value is stored in ch. Here it will check if ch is equal to y or ch is equal to small y. It says the entered character is that character, y or small y. If you entered k, for example, if you entered k, then it will say the entered character is k. Okay, na? Okay. This is it okay? Okay, beta. Lavanya, Kavita, Chamundeshwari, Abhiram. Okay, write down the notes better. And I daily uploaded our video sessions in the YouTube. Okay, just follow my YouTube channel. Okay, and in that we have Oracle also. If you want, you can watch the Oracle sessions also. If you have any doubt, I will explain. Don't worry. Okay, there we have Oracle also. SQL, PLSQL. Okay, okay, write down the notes, Amma. Okay.